What's up, everybody? My name is Danny Ferrari.
My name is Parker Immense.
We are Excellent Sound, and we are back with a brand new video. It's 2026. It's a brand new year.
Brand new year, dude.
It's a brand new day. Every year, Parker and I really try to upgrade our whole system. Hopefully, you guys are trying to do that too as well, as much as you can. Thanks to you guys, we've been able to upgrade our filming setup and, of course, our streaming setup. And obviously, like our production stuff is really important for what we do here to film content for you guys. This year, we decided we needed to do a big upgrade, okay? So we got some stuff in the back that we'll talk about in the future, which we're really excited. We got new lights, we got new cameras, but mainly, the main thing we had is we had a problem over 2025, am I right?
It's a really, really big problem.
We've been working on Mac computers for a very long time, and if you guys know about Mac computers, they're great, but you cannot upgrade them, right? They are kind of limited to what you have. They've kind of improved a little bit more back in the years, but they don't really feel like they're as much, I don't know, focused on creators as they used to be. So we had a problem with just our whole setup in general, and of course with production, Serum 2 coming out is an insane beast on the PC. So to solve all these problems, we went ahead and linked up with a company called Orbital Computers. Let's go ahead and show you what they're all about right now.
Whoa!
The first unboxing we've ever done, bro.
Yeah, officially the first one ever on our channel. I'm so excited to do this.
Me too, bro. We have not seen it. It's been here for like 2 weeks. We've not been able to open it because of the holidays. We had to wait.
So we need our trusty knives.
Yeah, we're bad boys of EDM. Let's get into it, bro. All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Ooh.
Here, I'll get this out.
How's that blade?
Oh yeah, dude, look at that. This is some unboxing therapy right now.
That guy sucks, dude. We're way better than him. I almost cut myself. So let's see. So this is straight from the factory. Oh, before proceeding, go to orbitalcomputers.com. Sorry, guys, we're not doing that because
it's a box within a box, guys.
Bad boys don't follow rules. Oh wait, should I not have shown that? Sorry, guys. Bad boys don't follow the rules. We don't follow directions.
All right, let's put it like this. Let's put it like this on its side. I think it's this way.
Oh God. Oh, it's hitting my wiener.
Come on, pull.
It says Fractal on it.
Pull it out. Pull.
Oh, there's a lot of suck. It's been doing Kegels. One cool thing about the guys at Orbital is they are actual music producers, okay? So these guys actually know how to produce music, and they're big fans of Excellent and EDM. These guys helped us create the perfect PC for our setup, and they can do the same for you guys. These guys are designing actual PCs around music producers. So we're gonna be talking a lot more about them in a couple of weeks.
It was actually a really cool experience because whenever I talk to computer guys, they're like nerds. They don't know anything about music.
Yeah, they don't understand it.
It's it's kind of whack, you know?
I know, and they also understand having to create content nowadays is really important. God, that's so sketchy.
We might have to do it here.
Let's put it
on its side. Let's put it on its side.
Totally not following the rules. Oh wait, hold on, there's a bag. Dude, this tablecloth sucks. This is the worst unboxing ever. Okay, oh, it's happening. Okay, already broke something. Thanks, Orbital.
This is so sick.
Look at the pink on pink.
Oh yeah, pink on pink, baby. Planned it. Planned it.
Should we turn it the right way before we break it?
Yeah, let's just take this off. Let's reveal it.
Oh, here we go.
I'll get this ASMR.
Dude, I'm getting bricked. Oh, dude. Whoa. Okay, so first off, first impressions, great packaging, really important. Look at that.
Wow.
This is their Meshify case. This is pretty sick. They do this really cool thing where they use a lot of, look at this wood etched sort of thing right here. They have their logo sort of wood etched inside, which is really cool, a really nice look. Oh my God, that's got 100 million gigabytes, dude.
Dude, is this like a vintage fan? What is that,
There's a ton of dildo bytes in there.
Oh, we should show them like this.
Oh, bro, this is excellent.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude.
Okay, check this out. Laser etched excellent into the screen, into the actual glass. This is tempered glass, bulletproof glass, clearly. Okay, it might not be bulletproof glass. I might have made up that part. But I know that they can etch any custom design into your guys' PCs if you want. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about the specs and open this thing up. We gotta get it turned on. First and foremost, look at this case, bro, too. This case, look at this.
Dude, this feels so different than our old PC.
I know, dude,
like,
it's
this
so
is
much better.
It's heavy, This mesh thing is really nice. It's probably for the air so it doesn't overheat.
Airflow. You were saying about the fans, they have this like kind of nice, like sort of
It looks like vintage fans in there,
Yeah,
dude.
it's sick.
It's really, really cool.
Can't wait to light this bad boy up. And then of course, look at this giant graphics card. Parker and I are gonna be mining so much Bitcoin.
So much.
We're quitting music production. Let them see the back.
Oh, dude, look at those connectors.
Oh, look at the cables, dude. Okay, we'll talk about what this thing is right here. This is our capture card. They went ahead and put in a capture card for us specifically for Blackmagic cameras, right? So Parker and I also work with Blackmagic, and we got their actual capture card. The guys went ahead and put that in there for us as well, which was super awesome. All of our ports right here, look at that, bro. All clean, USB-C, Thunderbolt, HDMI. Oh, they have, look, they have a DP in too. That's a big thing.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah. Let's see, 1
I
gig
think that's
USB.
better quality than HDMI too.
Plenty of USB-C. Oh God, this is my favorite too. When companies don't do this and they don't put enough ports in the back or on the top of PCs, it drives me nuts. This is pretty cool too. Check out on top right here. We got headphone, super simple, right? 2 USBs, and obviously like these are super useful to us because like sometimes we just have to quickly connect hard drives and stuff. Nice to have that, and of course a USB-C. So now that we got our first initial reactions to this thing, let's go ahead and jump into all the nerdy details. Parker, do you want to go over this for the people at home?
Let's get right into it.
Okay.
The case is a Fractal Meshify 3, custom engraved excellent logo. We have an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, upgraded motherboard. We got a ton of Thunderbolt 5s and Thunderbolt 4s.
Which is awesome because we've never been able to use Thunderbolt to its full potential. Now our actual SD cards, we can use the Thunderbolt 5.
We have so many everywhere.
Dude, we have so many.
80 plus gold certified power supply, fully modular cabling. The cooler is a dual fan Noctua. Silent air cooler.
The Noctua!
Yeah, we got the Noctua. We have 128 gigs of DDR5 RAM. We have an NVIDIA RTX 5080.
Oh my God, that is such a banger graphics card, you guys.
It's insanity.
For gamers too, and obviously for video editing, this thing is a beast.
We have 2 terabytes of SSD, and then we have another drive that is 2 terabytes of storage. SSD, of course. And then finally, we have a super, super fast Ethernet and Wi-Fi port, which is gonna be great for all of our future storage stuff that we got planned.
We have to talk about a little bit of what Parker and I actually had to endure over this last year with our old PC, okay?
Yep.
So our old PC that we had was from a kind of a bigger corporate name. We went ahead and built it. The process was kind of cool, but we were really limited to what we could do. Even the installation of it wasn't that good. We've had problems with our graphics card sort of coming out, and then obviously when trying to do filming and stuff like that, we've had to jimmy rig the thing a million times.
The other thing too is we move our PC around a lot just for different scenarios, the podcast, streaming, all of that stuff, and things were getting super loose, and we weren't too rough with it. We were, you know, moving it around a little bit here and there.
Just working with our old PC was not the easiest thing to get help on it, and these guys have a lifetime tech support available for their customers, so you actually get to talk to people that are working, actually that understand music production and also understand the actual game of video editing and stuff like that. Because as a producer nowadays, you guys have got to be on the cutting edge of not only music production, you gotta learn how to do your own content too in a certain way. And let's talk about how that's
So when we had our initial meeting with Alex over Zoom, we kind of ran him through our whole setup with our filming and our production, and we told him that we use Blackmagic cameras. And he actually told us that they make Blackmagic capture cards, and he's like, dude, we gotta throw those in. Which is amazing.
So excited.
Here is our Blackmagic Cinema 6K, and we can go straight into this baby right over here.
This is so nice.
So nice. We have 4 inputs.
So yeah, the Blackmagic capture card is right here, which is awesome. We've had problems with Elgato in the past, like too many problems.
Yeah.
Elgato makes great stuff, but especially to have something that's made specifically for the Blackmagic. And of course, Alex and the guys know what they're talking about, so they recommended this for us. If you guys have ever caught us on live stream, you've seen us struggling. We're not gonna have that anymore.
Yeah.
One big thing too that the guys had recommended that was a big problem is when you're working with just music in general and just storage space, Parker and I are looking into actually getting I forgot, what is
It's
it
a
called?
NOS system.
It's a NOS system, which is supposed to be a giant thing for us to have a server for all our video stuff. This might be a little bit more advanced for some people, but if you're into the video editing stuff, like it's kind of an important thing to have.
Yeah, I always like to repeat this. We're music producers, you guys.
Yes.
Like, we're not video guys.
Yes.
And the Blackmagic, keeping everything in the family, makes it so easy. And we just found out about this NOS system for the podcast and all of our videos. We like to save all of the RAWs for all of that stuff so we can go back and make clips for you guys and just have it for us, you know?
Yeah, and thank God for them, because we mentioned that. I'm on the call, and since, like I said, they have people that you can actually talk to that are experts. They're like, oh, you guys are gonna need to do this. So before we had even done that, they had already kind of worked on a PC for us, and like we had talked about it, and we just kind of happened to mention that as an afterthought. And they're like, wait, we got to put this in there for you guys.
Yeah.
Like, if we hadn't done that, we wouldn't have
known.
the road. It would have cost us a lot more money.
Yeah.
And thanks to them, you know, they were able to recommend actually this specific piece for us for our future, to kind of future-proof this PC, which is awesome. So shout out to them. You can't really do that on these other builder sites. You're just kind of just selecting, I think this works. You know, you just have an actual person to talk to, which was really nice. So now that we've gone through all the specs, we got a bag here. Let's got one more thing to open up. So let's go ahead and open up this bag, and then we're gonna fire this bad boy up. All right, what do we got here? What kind of presents?
We got tons of presents.
Cables.
Here, let's move this off to the side so we can really show the people.
We'll bring the baby back in a minute.
There are presents in here. I love this.
Ooh.
All right, so we got some connectors.
Cables probably from them setting it up.
Yep.
Oh,
love that.
There's a box in here.
Ooh.
Okay, hold on. So we got a.
Wait, we got some Skittles, baby.
Yeah, taste the rainbow.
Oh yeah.
It says here, a special gift from Orbital Computers, AE. Let's open that up in a second. And these look like just, all our components and extra cables
All power
and stuff.
supplies, amazing.
This stuff is good to have too. Like sometimes this stuff can kind of get like really dusty in there. And then obviously having all this extra stuff. We got our Windows software. Everything we need is right here. Thank you, Alex at
Here,
Orbital.
let's open up this present, dude. I'm very excited.
Yo.
Ooh. Yo, is this slate? Dude, it's slate. Oh, dude.
These are sick. Laser etched cup holders.
Look at that. That's so
cup holders,
sick.
coasters. Those are so nice.
Yo, let me just get my coffee mug.
Dude, throw it on there.
Let me just get my coffee mug real quick.
Dude, Orbital, thank you guys so much. That's so badass.
Oh, that is awesome. Bro, we needed these. How did they know?
Yeah, I
Big shout out,
hate your
Orbital.
coffee cup. That's so sick. That's their logo right there. Obviously, if you guys didn't figure that out, it's excellent. That's so sick. They've been asking, like, did you guys open it yet? And we're like, no, we have to wait. We're like waiting. So it must have been hard. So
that was like the hardest.
Yeah.
Just staring at the box in the corner, you know?
Oh my God. Shout out to these guys.
Big
We're so
shout
excited. Let's get this bad boy turned on.
Let's do it.
Let's see what all the lights look like. Obviously, the most important thing about any of these types of computers is the lights,
yes.
right?
Yes.
And then, of course, we're gonna go ahead in the future. You guys will see us using this bad boy with running it with a bunch of serum. I wanna do maybe a couple tests to see how many serums we can run on this bad boy.
We definitely have to.
So overload with serum. We're gonna get it set up. We're gonna get it powered on, and we'll go ahead and show you guys what that's gonna look like, because this will be our first reaction just like you guys. So let's jump into that real quick.
Let's get into it. All right, now the moment that we've all been waiting for. Danny, do the honors.
Hit this button right
Ooh,
here.
baby. Look at those LEDs.
Oh, that feels great.
Dude.
It's nice and hot in here too. Oh, nice and quiet too.
That sounds great.
Ooh. Yo, this thing is a beaut, right?
It's a beaut.
This is our first ever unboxing, and obviously, shout out to the guys at Orbital, Alex over there, and all the rest of the crew. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested in Orbital PCs, we're gonna be talking about them a lot more in the future, but if you guys wanna go check out their website right now, you can use code XLNT at checkout and save 5% off your first order on building your badass production workstation, bro. I'm so excited to use this.
I'm super stoked, man. The only thing left that we need to do is we need to give it a crazy name. It's a her, right? It's a she.
Is it Bertha?
It's Bertha.
She's kind of a big.
It is kind
She's
of
a
Bertha.
big lady.
I like Bertha.
Yeah, so make sure you guys go check that out. Again, we're gonna be jumping into this more in the future. Like the video, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think of the brand new member of the XLNT family, right?
Bertha.
Bertha. And of course, for all your production needs, guys, if you guys need to get a badass PC for, especially for producing, these guys got you. They know exactly what they're doing, and they know and understand us as producers, and that's the most important thing, I think.
Yep,
So
I agree.
shout out to them. Shout out to you guys. We are so excited for 2026. We got so much more planned for you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Later.
We on fire.